Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Riza and I'm the owner of Start Smart. I create videos about growing your channel, entrepreneurship, dropshipping, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and this channel is all an educational channel to help you guys become successful in your life. As you guys can see from the title and from the thumbnail, today I'll show you guys how to make over $800, $1,000 per day using Facebook. And this is pretty easy. You don't need a bank account or anything. You guys are probably thinking, how can I make money from Facebook? Facebook is just like a social media. How can I make money? So today I'm going to show you guys the best way to use Facebook. I know most of you guys use Facebook. That's why you guys clicked on this video and you guys want to make money using Facebook. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make that money using Facebook. As you guys can see on my first video where I said welcome to Start Smart, I said what stuff we're talking about. So here, one of them was Facebook. So today we're talking about Facebook and how to make over $800 to $1,000. If you guys work a bit harder, you guys can make like thousands every day from this one trick. So make sure you guys click the subscribe button, sit back and relax because this video is gonna be a banger. Okay, so guys, first thing you do is you go to YouTube and search for Start Smart and you click the subscribe button because we are the latest channel and we upload all the best videos. As you guys can see, this is my first video because the thumbnail, and there's some other videos I like too, this one. So today we're actually talking about making money with Facebook. As you guys can see right there, Facebook. So $800, you guys probably think this video is like one of those clickbait videos, but that's actually not. A lot of people done it. I've talked with a lot of like big entrepreneurs, like big people that you don't need to be like popular to make. You guys don't even need any followers or anything. As you guys can, I'm gonna show you guys my Facebook page that it has like actual no followers, 0 followers, nothing. But I'm actually generating over $3,000 every day from Facebook. The days I work. The days I don't work, probably 800, 300, 500. So you guys can make over $800 using this one free method. So let's get started with the video. Guys, I want to tell you guys something else. You guys watch a lot of this video, I know, but that's why you guys are watching this video. You guys probably watch videos where I show you how to make money, but don't the videos that's like too good to be true, they are. Okay guys, I want to tell you guys this because some of them are actually hacks. They might do something to your own account. So this is actually not any of those clickbait things or any hacks or anything. So just make sure you guys, every video you watch from other channels or from like any channels you guys watch or you subscribe to, be careful of what you're doing because some of them are not safe, but this is actually a safe method. You guys don't have to have like bank account to do this stuff, so it's safe. They're not gonna steal your money or anything like that. You guys can just create a new Facebook page and don't have any followers and don't put your real name anything, just make money. So let's get started with the video. First, as I told you guys, go on YouTube and subscribe. So once you do that, we're gonna go to this Facebook. So let me show you guys. I created this new Facebook page. It actually has like 0 followers. Let me go to my page. I just put it like a normal page because like I just like, look, I have 0 followers. No one's following me. So guys, what's good thing? Let's go back. You guys don't need to, the good thing about this method is you guys don't need like any of those things, what's called followers or stuff. You guys don't need to first get like 1,000 followers, 10,000 followers to earn money. It's actually a very easy method. You guys are not actually using Facebook to make this money. You guys are using like 30% of the method is using Facebook, but the rest is using something else. So before we go up to that really important part, you guys probably heard this from other people, but before we go up to that really important part, make sure you guys click the like button and subscribe. So if you guys did press the like button and subscribe, let's get up to the next level. What's the important part? How you guys can make this money? It's $100. And this is kind of a passive income as well. I want to let you guys know, because once the snowball rolls, you know the snowball effect. Yeah, sometimes people use it in YouTube, but today we're using it on Facebook as well. Once it rolls, you guys are every day gonna make money. Maybe sometimes you guys are gonna make like $10,000 a day because more people sees that. So actually, where you guys go is this. I know you guys heard of this. It's called clickbank.com. So clickbank is a really great spot to actually do affiliate marketing, and this is one of those videos where you guys can make this happen. So you guys create an account. It's pretty easy. Just press that, then you create an account. I already have an account. Then you guys go to this affiliate marketplace, or you guys can just choose it from here, but I prefer going to affiliate marketplace because it's a bit better. Then once you guys go to affiliate marketplace, make sure you guys don't click off this video, because you guys are gonna think, oh, I watched a lot of these videos, this stuff's not gonna work, or it has worked for you and you already know how to do it. But this is a different one. Okay guys, stay, because I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna show you guys a trick that's gonna get you guys more sales, and you guys are gonna make more money. And I'm gonna show you guys one of the best products. It's not for me, it's the best because I've made a lot of sales with that product. And in one of the goodest parts is that you guys, even if you get one sale, it's gonna be your one day income. Even if you do 9 to 5 job, for one day you're not gonna earn that much money. But if you make this one sale, you guys can quit your job. Let me show you guys. Make sure you guys click the like button. So I want you guys to go to this one, e-business and e-marketing. Then you guys don't need to press on affiliate marketing, but if you guys want to, you guys can. So this is the one I'm talking about. So there's a lot. There's the $75 one. There's this $400 one. Let me find the one I was talking about. So this is the one I'm talking about. There's more. There's other ones that's way more expensive. If you guys saw pages, or go to one of these. But I prefer this the best. It's not that like I know this guy John Christines. I know him. I watch him a lot. This is a product I prefer. You sell because you guys make $468. So it's not a product. It counts as a product because you guys are selling it. So then you press promote. Let me show you guys again. So it's just go to this e-business and e-marketing. Then don't need to select any of those. Don't need to select any languages or stuff. Then as you guys can go here, then it's 1, 2, 3. It's actually 5th place, I think. Yeah, 5th place. $468.24. And the name is Super Affiliate System by John Christine's Auto Webinar Final. So it's a webinar. And who cares for it's no matter for us, yeah? But we're just gonna promote it and make money. So this is not it. It's not just you guys getting the link, putting it out there. I have a really good way where you guys can actually that's gonna help you guys make a sale easier, because I have this type of, you know how some of the YouTubers have their own kind of secret message. I have one of those too. It's only for I only use it myself and for some of like my friends that does this stuff. I actually don't share it with other people, and it's secret between our team. And if you guys want like access to that secret text, so you guys can make more sale, click the link in the description. The link will say get the secret get the secret text or something. It's gonna say something like that. Then if you guys click the link, it will take you to another website, another page. Then what you guys can do there is actually just write your name, write your email, and that's it. I think your name and your email, and in about another 30 minutes or 10 minutes, around 10 to 30 minutes, I will myself or one of my teammates will send you the free text, so you guys can make more sales easier. So this the text actually helps you make sales easier. But this is not it yet, guys. You guys haven't been you guys just don't get this links, copy it like that. You guys don't just copy that, Control C or whatever you guys use. You guys don't just copy that, and you guys don't just go paste it there. You guys need to get the secret text, and not only the secret text, you guys need to go to this website called bit.ly.com. So bit.ly.com is a very great place. Let it for it to be load. You guys can use this to actually get long links and create it into short links. So let's just test our long link. So that was our affiliate link. Then back it there. We got it. Okay, got it. I actually, this is my new account with Bitly because so just copy that from there and press save and go to YouTube, go to Facebook, I mean, not YouTube, no, I hate you, YouTube. I'm kidding. YouTube, you're the best. I like YouTube. Make sure you monetize me, YouTube. Make sure you put my videos in front of all these people that need help. Thank you, YouTube. I like it. Okay, now let's go to Facebook. Enough of that stuff. You go to Facebook, then you search about affiliate marketing because the thing we got from there is actually the ClickBank product. A webinar is about affiliate marketing. Then you go follow this page. You join them. Join group. I have actually 2 accounts, so I'm not gonna join all of them. Who cares? Then you guys go there. Don't put scammy stuff like here, get your free thing. Okay, we're not gonna do that now. Who cares? Exit. Here. Then just say, oh, earn $8,000 right now. Earn this. Do that. Do that. Put a good thing. So the good thing is getting the text, clicking the link in the description, and signing up for the text. It's not one of those webinar stuff. The link is not that. The link just need your name and email so we can send it to you. So we can send you the free thing, the free text, and the free message you guys can post here. So once you guys join the group, you guys can actually like just get rid of the stuff. I can't post it right now, I think, because I just joined it. But once you guys join and you get accepted, you guys can look at, as you guys can see, it says pending. So it haven't accepted my account yet. It's gonna take more than like 2 hours to accept. And you guys post if you guys get that thing, what's called the free text, then you guys post it here with the link where the free text says where to put the stuff or what to write. It has the writing, then where you need to put your link, and just says paste link here, then all that stuff. It says all that for you. So make sure you guys click the first thing in the description to get the link and just paste it here. And that's here. This is the guy I'm talking about. It's actually his product, and he is actually gonna, if you make a sale, not as all of us, let's just say, if you make a sale, he's gonna give you that money. I know him, he has a channel himself, so shout out to John Christina's auto webinar. And that's how you guys make over $800 per day just using Facebook. Why am I keep on saying $800 per day? You guys can make $800 every hour, every minute. If you guys get the free text, you guys can actually do that. This is not on just scammy things. If you guys get the free text, you guys can actually, you guys can actually I can't stop saying actual. Okay, enough of this stuff. You guys can actually make over $800 every hour if you guys do this thing, which is getting the link from there, going to Bitly. It's literally gonna take less than 2 minutes. Pasting it, getting a small link, going there, pasting it, getting the free text from my smallness where you guys can request for the free link, and I'll send it that link to your email, and you guys can just copy it and paste it here and paste the link where it says paste the link here. Then you guys will be guaranteed to make over $800 every day, and this is guaranteed because ClickBank is, even though the thing in ClickBank is $468, but that link can make you over 10 sales every day, or 20 or 100 sales. So that was it for today, guys. Make sure you guys go check out my channel because we have some lit videos there which gonna help you become successful in your life. And that was, see you again. Get the link.